Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to remove Gmail account from your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Android mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, uh, you need to go your Play Store. When you tap on your Play Store, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here at the top right of the screen you can see your Gmail account logo or DP. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here you can see your Gmail account, Gmail ID, and at the corner of the screen you can see a type of arrow. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see another option of just like add another account. Okay, when you click on this option add another account, a new interface new interface will open on your screen just like that. Here you can see all the Gmail accounts which is logged in your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Android mobile phone. So you can choose anyone for anyone account from these accounts. In my case I select the second one. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see a option of remove account at the bottom of the screen. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a pop-up window will open on your screen just like that. Here you can here just tap on OK button. When you tap on OK button, you can see the Gmail account has been removed from your mobile phone. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.